Introducing the fastest, easiest, and safest way to decorate your home and garden. The No Ladder Ultra XT and No Ladder Rapid Release Clips for eaves, gutters, and shingles. This light hanging pole extends up to 11 feet, eliminating the need to stand on a ladder, and the rapid release trigger is hassle-free, so there's no twisting or bending your wrists to release the clip. With easy installation and removal, you can reuse the No Ladder Ultra XT year after year. To install Christmas lights using the No Ladder Ultra XT, first, locate your power source and run cords. Then lay out your lights on the ground. Once you've identified where the first clip will go, insert the clip into the clip holder on the pole. The orientation of the clip will depend on whether you are installing lights on gutters, eaves, or shingles. Next, insert the light string into the front hook or the U-shaped area of the clip. Flip the levers up to unlock the pole and extend as needed. Push or pull the clip down onto shingles, gutters, or eaves. Simply press the finger trigger to release the clip. Repeat these steps for the final clip. For all clips in between, insert the clip into the clip holder. Use the pole to grab the light string and gently press the clip into place. Then pull the trigger to release. No Ladder Rapid Release clips can be used to hang all types of light strings. They are compatible with most gutters without a gutter guard, shingles up to 1 inch thick, and eaves up to 1.5 inches thick. When you're ready for your decorations to come down, removal is quick and easy. No Ladder Rapid Release clips are weatherproof and can be reused season after season, year after year. And they're not just for Christmas. Use the No Ladder Rapid Release clips for patio lighting, Halloween decor, and other decorations throughout the year. Hang wreaths, bunting, birdhouses, and more with the No Ladder Ultra XT Light Hanging Kit. It comes with an additional clamp adapter to help with a variety of decorating tasks, like hanging garland and tinsel. The clamp head also helps you remove lights and decorations quickly. To remove the head, press the red button in at the top of the pole. Twist the adapter counterclockwise until the U-shape opening is above the locking pin and lift up. To attach the clamp adapter, position the U-shape opening above the locking pin and rotate clockwise until the adapter clicks into place. Don't waste another minute this holiday season using a ladder to decorate your home and garden. Get the No Ladder Ultra XT today.